Well, this is where we're at today. We're back on a job that we did 2 years ago and it flooded. We got the perfect song playing in the background. The zoo. We got to do all this right here with carpet. It's going to be VCT back over here. And it comes down through here. I'm gonna do this room over here. All through here. I'm gonna tie into all this right here. And then on the other side over there, there's a couple offices, but this is the main part right here. So we're gonna try to get this done, at least from the doorway this way. And this will be next week. We got our work cut out for us though. Okay, we kind of had a short day yesterday. We just got everything ready. We scraped all our floors and we prepped this area for VCT. We just got to give it a light sweep and vacuum, and then we're gonna put down our glue. I had to build like a little ramp right there. If you're wondering why it looks white right there, I put latex on top of it to make it a little stronger. We got all this already over here. I gotta do another ramp right there. And then it goes back a little ways. Originally I didn't know how far it went back. I thought it stopped at this door here. But it actually hit this room here. Went back and wiped out all this right here. So I'm gonna do all that. And then there's a couple rooms on the other side. We're gonna put down our VCT and then start laying some carpet today. Okay, well, we're pretty much done down here. Get out of this elevator. Got all new tile. Over here. Put all the carpet in the base. I didn't do the base. I had to hire an expert. We got a room in here with a closet. All done. And it flooded all the way out here too. This hallway into this room and down that hallway. So we started about right there. about right there, and then just half of this room. Still got some stuff to do in the back, but that's it for this phase.